we are living in beauty. From the dirt to the yucca plants, the cedar trees, it's a whole nother world. Amazon has provided me with opportunities that I could only dream about. She takes care of Yanashia, Kia Anilashin, Tachit in Bashachin, Toahani Dashache, Maidashkijin Dashanele. I am from Chinle, Arizona, located in the Navajo Nation in the northeast corner of Arizona. Growing up, we were taught to, live off the land because that's what our ancestors did. We didn't have running water or electricity. It kind of built that character where I can overcome anything. There are so many different teachings within the Navajo culture. Hajo Dalia, meaning to understand what I want to do, to have a plan. And I brought that with me to Amazon. My Amazon career started out as a seasonal warehouse associate at TUS1. I was then promoted to a process assistant. 6 months into the role, I decided to make a lateral transfer to GYR3 as a process assistant. The population at GYR3, we do have a high amount of Native American associates, and we have a lot of reservations, pretty much all around us. I wanted to become the president of Indigenous at Amazon for the specific site. However, I couldn't do it just because I was still in that Tier 3 role and I needed to be an L4 or higher. Now I needed to create a plan. How would I get there? And I told everybody, I'm not stopping. I said, push me to my limits because I want that. I applied for the area manager role. I got it. I got inclined. I went to my HR manager and I told her, where do I sign up to become the president for Indigenous at Amazon? And hearing myself say those words, I think, really made it full circle. Now I am the president of Indigenous at Amazon at GYR3. I want people to speak their traditional language, to come to the Indigenous at meetings and learn with us. And I want people to be proud to be Indigenous. Amazon has been super amazing. I'm representing not only myself, not only my site, but for Indigenous employees everywhere.